Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have some really cute brooches to look at. So I'm going to start, I've got them all ready, so without further ado, here are the brooches. They're so cute. So we've got, the first brooch is this frog. How freaking cute is this frog? Gorgeous. So that's what the back looks like. So it's got, I like the clasp of it. So we got our little frog there, and then we've got this little cat brooch. This is nice, like a little enamel piece. So we got this one here, nice. And along the theme, it's like the same sort of theme, is a hedgehog one, kind of goes with that cat. Cute. Then we've got a bee. I do like the little bee brooches. Look at that. I think that's a bee. Or a beetle, something like that. We'll just put him up there. And then we have, actually, let me clear this because it might take the focus off the brooches I'm actually showing. Then we've got this bird one, the enamel and the rhinestones. And some glitter. How freaking cute is that? Nice. Is that a hummingbird? I think that's a hummingbird. Another frog playing the flute. These little frog ones are so cute. Another hummingbird. Enamel with some rhinestones, just in a different colour. I love the detail on that. Then we've got a fish, some rhinestones, very cute. And we've got another little bee. I love this bee, look at that. I like the enamel and the rhinestones. This is probably one of my favourites. A little bee brooch, there it is. And then we've got another fish one with a faux pearl. Cute. That's very pretty. And then we've got another bee. That's nice. Very pretty. These would make good little presents, like Christmas presents, birthday present. And these can be put on like your bag. Scarves, you know, can be pinned anywhere really. It's a baby one, the mummy one and the baby one joined together. Cute. That's the back. And then we have this one, which is cute, sparkly one. I'm not sure what that actually is. Some sort of butterfly maybe. And then we've got this bee one. As you can see, I've got quite a few bee ones. I just like them. Very nice. And then we've got this one. Oh, we got this one. That's nice. That will look nice on like a nice bag. Pin that on there. And then we got some strawberries. Oh. Then we got the strawberries there. Very nice. And then we've got this was one of my favourites as well. This is probably my actual favourite out of all of them. This little one, this umbrella. I was tempted to keep it, but I'm not going to. It's going up. It's going up for sale. And then we've got two of these ones. How cute is that? These are little safety pin ones, so you just can pin that on anything really. But these are very cute. they'll look nice on something. But yeah, so that's my little brooches collection. It was just a short and sweet video. But these brooches will be going up on my, these brooches will be going up on my Etsy store over the coming weeks. I'm not going to put them up all at once because I want to flood my store with them. So I'm going to put a few up at a time, mixed in with other things. So yeah, talking of brooches, I do have another brooch that I got that isn't like that. Let me just get it. Yeah, so here's this bad boy. I might as well bung it in with the brooches video. This is pretty. This is also going up soon on the shop. I'm gonna take some pictures today. But yeah, I like this little brooch. So yeah, that's that one. And then a few other things I'm not really going to do a separate video on is I've got some, been collecting up some sparkly bracelets for the shop because I've sold out of these. So I've managed to source some Empire. Need a little cleaning up, but I've managed to source some of these, all different ones. So we've got some of those going up, and I'll just show you a few more because they're all different, and I've been scouring to collect them because I'm obsessed with 1950s rhinestone stuff. Just obsessed with it, so I just buy loads of it and put it in my Etsy shop. So yeah, this one's a bit of a slimmer one. This is a nice one. And then we've got this one, which is nice. Look at that. I love the way they stretch out. Yeah, so then most of these are marked. I've got quite a few of them and they're marked Empire, so I'll put a few of these up at a time as well. We've got some, this one, it's similar. Then we've got a few rhinestone necklaces that I need to go up because a lot of them are selling out. So we've got this one. These are so good for like weddings and parties, Christmas parties. Got you covered for jewellery. So we've got a few rhinestone necklaces to go up. So we've got a few here. I'm trying to not to jog the camera, so that's one to go up. And we've got another one here. Oh, I've got quite a few here. This one's nice. Yeah, so this is like stuff I've been collecting up over the last few weeks, probably during September, end of August, during September, so that's a nice one as well. And what's this one? Yep, that's this one. There's this one as well, which is a bit more daintier. That's a bit more daintier. But yeah, that's a nice one. So yeah, we've got some rhinestone goodies as well. So I'm not going to go through everything because a lot of it is the same sort of thing. So that's that, and I think that is that for this video. I do have some more things to show. I went to the charity shop last week, and I do have some bits from the charity shop. I've got some bits coming in the mail. I think I've got some jewellery on its way being delivered this week, so I think I'll save that for another video. So you'll get another video on my charity shop hauls and all the other bits and pieces. I've got a really nice sterling silver agate. It's like sterling silver over polished agate brooch. It's absolutely stunning. I did pay up for it, but it's worth it, you know. So, and it's signed, so I can't wait to show you that. So I'll show you that when it arrives, along with my charity shop haul and any other jewellery that I'm expecting to come in. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in any of this stuff, links and emails and things are are below. Check out my Etsy shop to see what's listed. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to be working to get the current stock up, including last week's video with all that stuff. So I've got a lot of jewellery to be getting through, but if you can't wait and you've seen something, then just let me know, and just email me, and then we can sort it out from there. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye bye.